Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to inject liquid L-Carnitine full guide. Gather sterile syringes, single-use needles, alcohol swabs, and your vial in a clean area. Verify the dose on the vial and measure precisely with the syringe markings. Wash your hands thoroughly and avoid touching the needle or tip. Keep a sharps container ready and have a bandage available for after the injection. Start by choosing an appropriate injection site like the thigh or upper arm per guidance. Pinch or spread the skin according to technique, insert the needle at the correct angle, and inject the liquid steadily to avoid pressure spikes. Wait a short recommended dwell time before withdrawing the needle slowly and applying gentle pressure with a clean gauze. Dispose of the needle immediately in a sharps container and monitor the site briefly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. They keep snacks secure and avoid messy spills when you travel to appointments. I find they make post-injection routines cleaner and more convenient. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After the injection, press a clean swab over the site and apply a small bandage if needed to control any minor bleeding. Watch for signs of irritation such as redness, swelling, or persistent pain, and seek advice if symptoms worsen. Never recap needles. Place them directly into a certified sharps container and follow local disposal regulations. Store any remaining liquid securely and out of reach of children or pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.